So in this video, I'm going to install MX25 XFCE, and I'm going to install it in a desktop computer. So it says here MX25 is built from Debian 13 Trixie and MX repositories. So I'm going to boot up from the USB drive. I'll choose the first option. So this is the installer. So this is select type of installation. There are some options here. Regular install using the entire disk. Customize the disk layout. Replace existing installation. I'll select regular install. I'm using the entire disk. So this is installation confirmation. Format and use the entire disk for MX Linux. So installation is in progress. So this box is checked by default. Create a swap file. Here's also enable hibernation support, enable ZRAM swap. So here you can input a computer name. I'm going to leave it as MX computer domain. I'll leave it as is and its work group. So this is location defaults. I'm in the US. Time zone is New York. That's correct. And this is the clock format. I'm going to leave it as default. Here's also service settings. So you can check and uncheck any one of these. I'll create an account. So here I have an option to input a root password. I'm going to type the same password. So installation is complete. So I restarted the computer and this is the welcome screen. You can click on any one of these, for example, tools, and these are some of the applications. So this is the tweak app and you can tweak the panel. You can tweak the panel, theme, compositor, display, the desktop. You can configure the super key to run an application. This is miscellaneous. Yes, forums, videos, contribute popular apps, and talk. I'll click on the applications menu. So these are all the applications that I installed. So LibreOffice is installed by default. There's accessories. This is development. This is games, graphic, internet, multimedia. These are the MX tools. So this is Office. This is settings. This is the system. You can also search for applications here. So there's settings manager. Here you can lock the screen, switch user. This is log out. So on the dock, this is the power manager. I'll click on settings. This is the unmount icon. So this is the updates icon. This is the network icon. And I can configure a VPN here. So this is the volume control. I'll click on audio mixer. On top, this is the file manager. I can right click in there, create a new folder. I'll right click the folder. So I have these options. So Firefox is installed by default. I'll check what version of Firefox this is. So it's 144.0.2. And this is the logout button. So I'll right click the desktop. And these are the options. I can create a launcher, create a URL link. I can also access the applications here. I'll open desktop settings. So these are some of the wallpapers. So there's menus, and here you can check any one of these. Desktop icons, you can configure the desktop icon size. This is the file launcher icons. This is keyboard shortcuts. So I'm going to check the kernel version. I'll type uname R. So the kernel version is 6.12.48. So I'm going to check the session type. I'll type this command. So the session type is X11. So I can configure the panel settings here. I just have to right click the panel and I have these options here. I'll click on properties. I'll right click the panel again. I'll click on panel preferences. So here I have some settings. So these are some of the apps that are on the panel, and I can remove these apps or I can add more apps. I just have to click on the add button. I can also open the MX Tweak application. So here I can tweak some of the settings, for example, the panel settings. So right now the panel is on the left. I have these options where I can configure it on the right or on the bottom. I can configure the team settings here. There's a compositor. This is display. These are some of the desktop settings. These are some of the file manager settings here. I can configure a command to run with the super key here. This is miscellaneous. So I'll click on the upgrade icon. So it tells me how many updates available, how many upgrades. I'll click on upgrade. I'll open the Clipman icon. This is the Clipman settings. So this is the MX Tools app. And these are some of the tools. So here's the package installer. So I can install any one of these apps, for example, Audacity, different categories, for example, browser. I'll install Brave. There's also Microsoft Edge. I can also download more themes. This is Flatpaks. So I can upgrade to the latest Firefox version, and I just have to click on reinstall. So this is the system information and benchmark, and I can get the specs of my computer here. This is a summary of the specs. So this operating system is running very smoothly. So I want to thank you for watching, and I thank you for subscribing.